Welcome back to another video, and today we're checking out this Brilliant Uncirculated 2020 Peter Rabbit 50p coin, which we are being led to believe is the last ever Peter Rabbit 50p coin. And I believe that also, just like the 2019 version, this one will not be going into circulation. So this is how it's presented. I actually purchased this one from Westminster Collection, and it's in the Royal Mint hang bag. And what I'm going to do now is my usual thing, and I'm going to take it out of the packaging so that you can see everything and how it's presented inside. And there we have it, packaging taken away. Again, the front of the packaging and then the back. We'll get onto that in a second because we've got the coin specs there. But let's start off by just having a scan through all of the information inside and how it's presented. Of course, if I'm moving too quickly, do the usual thing and have a pause and read it at your own pace. And then we've got this really cool illustration there. And then we got a bit more information just there on the back. And now we can move on over to the coin specs. So the denomination is 50p, the alloy is copper nickel, the weight is 8 grams, diameter 27.30 millimeters, quality is Brilliant Uncirculated, obverse designer is Jody Clark, reverse designer Emma Noble. And then just got little illustrations dotted around all over the place on this packaging. Now let's check out the coin itself. As usual, we'll start off with the obverse of the coin. So there we have it, 2020, Jody Clark's 5th portrait of the Queen. And then we have the reverse of the coin. Now, I'll be honest, the silver proof of this coin looks absolutely amazing. But my first thought when I saw this Brilliant Uncirculated image is that, well, Peter Rabbit just doesn't look very comfortable, does he? I don't know why, it just looks a lot better in silver proof. But obviously I'm just happy that there's another 50p coin to collect. So let me know in the comment section below what you think of this coin yourself, and have you got all the Brilliant Uncirculated Peter Rabbit 50p coins? And if not, are you going to try and add all of them to your collection? But like I said, leave that in the comment section below because it always interests me. If you're new around here, why not hit that subscribe button because I release new coin content weekly. Thanks for watching!